Get to an important update in the Delphi double murders case. Richard Allen's defense attorneys claim investigators have destroyed crucial evidence.
Fox 59's Russ McQuaid has read these latest filings and he's followed the investigation from the start. He joins us live tonight to tell us what it all means. Russ?
Well, Dan, one day after Special Judge Fran Gull told the defense team she would not agree to their motion to take herself off the case, Allen's attorneys claim evidence that could raise doubt that their client didn't commit the killings has been destroyed by the state, and they want the charges dropped. From the first days in February of 2017, the investigation into the killings of Abby Williams and Libby German has been frustrating, with false starts, alternative suspects, leaked evidence, and allegations of bias and incompetence. This new motion alleges evidence the defense says it needs to prove someone besides Richard Allen committed the murders has been destroyed. The defense team has a theory that the girls were killed in a ritualistic fashion that is indicative of a Nordic belief system referred to as Odinism, and specifically interviews with two Carroll County men who admitted practicing Odinism, one of them the father of a teen dating Abby, were deleted or taped over or maybe never taped at all. And an attorney not involved in the case says the state has a duty to protect all the evidence.
The defense has to be told about everything. The prosecutor does not determine what is exculpatory because prosecutors don't know how to build a defense. They know how to build a prosecution. So if they think it might be this exculpatory, they need to turn it over.
Attorneys Andrew Baldwin and Bradley Rosie said the written summaries of those Carroll County interviews may include inconsistent answers that could cause a jury to have reasonable doubt about Allen's alleged guilt. That's why the defense needs to hear the tapes.
Well, it's absolutely essential. There is no substitute for the actual interview. That is the true value of a hearing. The sides know what they're talking about, but the judge really needs to have a chance to balance what the two are saying and ask the judge's own questions about how to strike the ultimate balance.
The attorneys and the prosecutor and the judge are all due back in Fran Gull's Fort Wayne courtroom at 9 o'clock Monday morning, maybe, as the judge is set to hear the prosecution's argument that Rosie and Baldwin should be found in contempt for the way they've handled or mishandled the case. But Rosie is asking for a continuance because he says he's out of state that day. Live in the newsroom, Russ McQuaid, Fox 59 News.
Okay, Russ McQuaid, thank you so much.